Hello again. Yeah, that was the doctor for Stuart. So he's got to pick up a certificate. So we'll start again. Right, some Sweet Dixie dies, and we'll start absolutely from the beginning. The first one is it's Prosecco o'clock, and here's this one. As I was saying, got a nice glass, a nice bottle there, and a nice size glass, and the words it's Prosecco o'clock. That one is £6.99, so you can see it's a pretty decent size, and that's all you need on the card, apart from a bit of matting and layering, etc. So that's that one. Still got a few of them left because I ordered extra of them because I knew they'd be popular. Now this one is the graduation class of, and this is the last one I have of these, but I have ordered some more. As you can see, you've got class of, and get the right way up. And then you can obviously put the years in because you've got all the numbers there that you need. Also, you've got the male and female with the motorboard, I believe it's called, on their head. Again, nice size. Not much more I can say about that one, but yeah, it sold. I'm down to the last one. It went very, very well, especially as there's not many graduation things out there. I'll go on to the next graduation one. It's a bigger one, so I have it at the bottom. Sorry about this.
Pass your phone over.
Right, I've cut it off. Shouldn't happen again. Right. Sorry. Graduation. I'm going to throw the phones out of the window next time. Nobody ever phones me. And look at that today. Okay then, so this one is £12.99. The other class of is £6.99. This is £12.99, and you've got your congrats on your graduation. You've got the motorboard. Is it called a motorboard? I'm pretty sure it is. Separate, you've got the scroll and some balloons. You've got happy party prom. Well, congrats on your graduation. So yeah, that's great. You can use it for a prom as well. That's probably what the balloons are for. So you get two sort of themes in that one. And as I said, that's £12.99. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 dies, because all the words are individual. So it's like a mix and match. Right, the next one that has also been popular, and last one left, but I've ordered some more, is this motorbike. There you go. This one's £4.99. Well, see, good value again from Sweet Dixie. And there's the die itself, which is quite a sizable die, for £4.99. It's a great one for the men, boys, women. It'll be great for Father's Day, and that's coming up soon. And then we have the racing bike, which is also a good one, Father's Day for teenagers, and of course the ladies and teenage girls, but specifically for Father's Day because it's actually coming up, which is why I keep mentioning Father's Day, because it's not long away. So you go the racing bike, and that's £5.25. Again, a sizable die, one that I've not seen before anywhere, but I don't claim to have seen every die that's ever been made. Same one, racing. all of a dither now. Now this is another one that's very popular. Sold. I got a high amount of these, and they literally were going out as into baskets as I was putting them on. And this is the baseball cap and boot. I suppose like a Converse, or I think that's what they call them, the children. Back is better, because that's what you want to see anyway, isn't it? So they're nice boots. If you have a look on my page, I've got some cards with most of these on that were made by Sue Dix, who's the designer, or if not Sue, it'd be one of her design team. So yeah, and I'll be pulling some across that I haven't already put on there from other dyes that I might have here. Right, this one will be very popular, I would imagine. It's a nice high-heeled shoe, not one that I could wear. I don't know if I've ever worn one that big, but that would go actually lovely with the Fairy Cobblers Magic Graphics CD, because that's all about shoes, and this would go well with it. So that one's $5.99. Did I tell you the baseball bat and cap is $4.90? This one's $5.99. Then we've got mixed sentiments. These are £7.50. Now these are brilliant because you've got I think every relation on there. You've got the step, you've got father, cousin, friend, mother, and then you've also got love, to, happy, special, Valentine's, my. Now you wouldn't really need another. Yeah, you can get Happy Father's Day, Mother's Day. Yeah, you've got nearly almost every occasion on there. And that one's £7.50. Okay, step 2. And then next one is for ladies, and these are £5.99. Again, words. You've got girlfriend, nan, aunt, grandma, sister, niece, mum, wife, daughter. You don't have any more combinations of them either. And there's the dies at the back. Okay, and the last one of the new ones is this floral swill frame. I have kept one of these back for me because I'm going to have a go, and then I can show you how it turns out, and it'll be beautiful, I know. You've got the little one there that could actually go on into the corners. Actually, that would make a great stopper for easel cards, looking at it. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the dies. You've got the straight one, which will obviously make a straight square, or it'll cut the bigger one so that you've got a frame in the middle. So that's that one. That one's only $9.99, which is excellent value for a die like that. That's really, really good. Now, before you go, I've actually borrowed 2 dies that I'm going to have to play with. The first one is the Daisy set, because I'm liking the shape of those, and you've also got a little embellishment there, which I think is great. This one's $8.99. It is on the website already. And leaves, I need leaves. You've also got little stamens up there, which you'll see on the front. I'll show you there. Which is a great addition for the flowers, because I can't threading those other stamens through if you're trying to be quick. Can be a bit of a pain, but you know, if you want to make a quick card with flowers on, these are ideal. Okay, and they're $8.99. And this is the other one. Now, somebody asked me for one of the circle Sweet Dixie dies, and the one I showed her wasn't the one she was looking for. Now, I didn't even know this one existed, but this is what she was looking for, and it's a dotted doily circle frame. It's $17.99, but it's a lot bigger, as you can see from the other one. So this one I'm actually definitely going to have a go with. It's a substantial size, which I do like, and that would fill, it would fill, I would say, 6x6 card, but it'll look brilliant on an 8x8 one too. So I'm going to actually use an 8x8 card to do it. I'm not going to promise when, but I am going to use it because I'm looking forward to that. And very last thing, I'm looking, it was dragons last week, I'm actually having a look at unicorns, and with that I've borrowed another die, which is the unicorn die. Take that out there. You've got your beautiful unicorn die, and I've actually cut one out so you can see this one hasn't even been embossed, but you can still sort of, let me have a look. I don't know if you can see there. No, you can't quite, but you can, there are actually embossing lines, even though I haven't embossed it. So another playtime for me, and I did start playing with Magic Graphics where the unicorns roam, that's it. So I did that one. This really was a play, because I thought I would carry on the path down. And I was actually having a go with my new Spectrum Noir as well. So that's basically what I came up with. It's a bit of a crooked path, but if I pull it down a bit, it'll... so basically I've just coloured that. And there's a bit of Flower Soft on there. I wasn't talking, I was going to say talking about, but I wasn't. Just a quick one. Starlight Imagination and Crafts. I don't know how many of you have heard of them, but if you're in my group, then you will have heard of them, because I always use their Starlight paints. Well, they've become a partnership, I believe, with Crafters Companion, and so I will be using a lot more of them now. I didn't stock them as such, and I'm not sure whether I will stock them now, but I will be using them, so I will be able to show you how to use them, whether I stock them or not, and you can get them from Crafters Companion. If I ever do another order with Crafters Companion, the only reason I don't is because they have minimums of a certain number, and their minimum order is large, so therefore I don't get a lot of variety, having to order sort of 3 of everything, and it all adds up, and I'd rather you know, get things like the Sweet Dixie dies at this stage. So that's it for now. I can only apologise for the phone calls. As I say, I don't normally have any. I can do something about the mobile. I should have left it upstairs or turned it down. I normally do turn it down, but the other one is a problem unless I pull the plug out. I haven't found out how to mute it, but that's something I'm really going to have to look at. It's not so bad if I do this from the kitchen like I've normally done, or I've done past couple of times, but I went in there today and the sun was sort of behind me, so you couldn't even see me, so apologise again for that, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.